Hello everyone, we are team ACE3WIN and today we are here to show you our project Link Shield, our intelligent solution for protecting users from malicious links.
Unlike traditional search engines that use blacklist to classify whether a URL is malicious or not, our system uses features that are extracted from the structural part of the URL to classify, and hence it is more reliable. To build a system with this much cross platform complexity, we used Kiro and Agentic AI IDE to handle the technical heavy lifting. We used Kiro smartly as a force multiplier, which acted as our infrastructure lead, allowing us to stay focused on the most critical part. It autonomously mapped out the complex Android Accelerity service and synchronized the data flow. Kiro didn't just help us plan and assist in code, it allowed our team to deliver a production ready system wide shield in record time.
Before we dive in, here is the flowchart of how we did it all. We also have our hosted web app. It is a central hub for our users and developers. You can find complete installation guide, detailed project info, and direct download links for both our browser extension and the Android APK. You can also see the API documentation, which redirects you to the Swagger UI. Moving on to the dataset and the ML model, here are two datasets, one containing legitimate and one containing malicious URL links, each being of 5000 plus rows. Then here is the ML model, which does not only rely on blacklist URLs but also extracts the features and accordingly trains the model. This is the learning curve. We also developed a checker to initially check the URLs. Coming to the demonstration of the browser extension, here we initialize the backend, then we move on to Chrome extensions and then the developer mode through which we load and pack the extension that we created and downloaded it. Then to test it, we went to Chrome and different sites by typing in the URL or even clicking on the URL that were present on the screen. Here as we can see there is ChatGPT, which is a safe URL, while here there is an unsafe URL, and you can see the security alert on the top right of the page. Then when you go to the actual extension, you can see the recorded which was secure, which were threat, and if the existing site is secure or not. It also gives you two options, close tab and report the risk. You can report the URL through the Google website where malicious URLs can be reported. Here you can see more secure and unsecure websites. Now let's go to the Android APK setup and permission setting. Here we have initialized the backend for the Android now, and this QR code is there so that your phone can connect to the development server. Once you've done that, the APK is to be downloaded and all the permissions that are required for the phone application to run are given. To develop this Android APK, we use React Native and native Kotlin. Going to the demonstration, here we can see how all the permissions are granted and the development server is connected to the QR code. Once it is done, the application opens up and it shows certain metrics. It also contains the history of all the URLs that are visited. Right now it shows 0. Now let's test it. Going to Chrome. Once the user types in the URL, it starts checking whether it is malicious or not. Here, since already a malicious website was open, it prompted. Now we go to a malicious website and it will show a prompt to go back or report it. If the score is more or higher, the app automatically comes back. Now we are opening a safe website and now we are checking other malicious website. As we can see, it didn't show a prompt on a safe website, but it prompted to block the malicious one. Even before the link opens, it checks the URL and tries to inform as fast as possible. Now we open the mail so that we can check whether it works on any other app as well. As you can see, once the URL was opened, before it could process, it prompted that it was malicious. Now this is a safe URL and hence there was no prompt. Going to the app, we can see all the protection statistics. and all the previous websites or the URLs that we visited. Link Shield isn't just a tool, it's a resilient AI powered shield. By combining low level system hooks with advanced machine learning, we've built a safer way to navigate the digital world.